In the medical imaging sector, despite the growing digitalis ATI on trend, high resolution, low radiation, and the eco-friendly dry thermal X-ray films continue to maintain robust market demand. For enterprises planning to establish medical X-ray field tools and ETIV film production in the PARL REEF ERDEL TRD, site selection goes far beyond land costs. It determines whether a company can seamlessly integrate into the global medical supply chain while meeting stringent environmental and quality certification standards. As the core hub of the GRE8 RA, Guangzhou has emerged as a highly strategic location for this niche sector. Driven by its mature medical device ecosystem and strong agglomeration of foreign investment, from an industrial cluster perspective, Guangzhou offers unparalleled supporting advantages. Such as TRNHE's Tri-City have already attracted international giants like Fuji FILM Heti Elskar, Isis Temes to set up regional headquarters and R&D branches. Highest concentration of industry leaders provides surrounding upstream and downstream companies with comprehensive supply chain support and technological spillover effects. Mecca NWHIO districts like PanU are home to local manufacturers focusing on medical infrared laser films and dry laser films, forming a complete micro-ecosystem that spans from consumable R&D to self-service printing kiosk integration. Reg Art ENG policy and compliance. Guangzhou demonstrates significant support for the medical devices and new materials sectors. The coating processes such as nano-silver coating technology and polyester substrate treatments used in medical X-ray film manufacturing impose strict requirements on KANR standards, temperature, humidity control, and VOC emissions. I am Wei Yua NGONG, a professional industrial operation and site selection specialist deeply rooted in the PARL REEF ER Delta. I always remind business owners, never treat an ordinary factory as a kilo NR Ceiling G2 verify ceiling heights and emission quotas early on could lead to millions wasted on purification projects that ultimately fail GMP inspections or environmental assessments. Pure Rentlai, high-standard intelligent manufacturing parks across Guangzhou generally feature streamlined EIA approval channels and ample emission quotas, ensuring the efficient operation of dry film production lines. For the RMO Ray leveraging Guangzhou as advanced international logistics network and Nansha Porti, companies can achieve exceptional turnaround efficiency when importing premium CO2s, NSETIV raw materials, or exporting finished products overseas. Overall, selecting a site for a medical X-ray film project in Guangzhou represents a perfect synergy of technology and geography. Compan IS should prioritize professional industrial parks equipped with CLA SS10000 TLANR construction capabilities, dual circuit power supplies, and comprehensive wastewater treatment systems. I am Wei Yua NG dedicated to industrial site selection in Guangdong. The SAP practical insights are drawn from years of hands-on service to manufacturing enterprises. If you have needs for finding factories, relocating, or expanding capacity in Guangdong, or if you are unsure whether a site meets medical device compliance standards, feel free to reach out. I am here to help.